Okay, guys, just part of my towing tips, right? When you're setting your mirrors up, make sure you can see clearly down the side of your van, and then set your convex mirror out so you can see what's traveling alongside of you, because with the flat mirror up the top, you're going to have very clear vision directly back, but with a flat glass it restricts your vision sideways, and that's why you have the convex mirror down the bottom, because it gives you a very wide and a very broad view, and it will show you any vehicles that are coming up and are overtaking you. So guys, if you need any more of Uncle Mike's towing tips, just go to clearviewaccessories.com.au. Thank you.